G'day folks, I'm just out at a cafe here in Bathurst, New South Wales, and I've just spotted this little table here. It's a Rover Mini, and it's just been converted into a table. Okay, so this is just a short video which I've put together. I left the dash cam recording while I was putting in the rear window. First thing I needed to do is just make sure that the glass was actually the right size for the car, and it was. You saw me just spraying some WD-40 on there, and from what I've seen on the internet, most people installing them tend to use that, and I'm not sure if there's going to be any problems with deterioration of the rubber over time, but I'm guessing UV light from the sun would actually cause more damage. Now, the suction caps I've actually got on the glass, they're actually dent removers, but they're very cheap. They're only about $5 Australian for one of those, and they're useful because it allows you to sort of move the glass around just to get it into the seal. Now, the actual glass is easy to get in at the bottom and the sides. The tricky part for me was get at the top, so I had to use the plastic tools there to persuade the rubber to sort of clip over the edge of the glass there, and you can see me moving things around a bit, just trying to get it in there straight, and like the rubber at the top doesn't sit dead flat, and I think it's because of the actual shape of the glass itself, not to do with the rubber. It's just how the piece of glass is. It's okay, it's just like it's not at the same angle as all the way around, but maybe that's normal. So I'm just going to clean up there. And the next thing I was playing around with is the actual tool to put the locking strip in. And again, the way I did this was actually to use WD-40 again in the little the gap that it goes into, because that way it just slides through so much easier. And again, I don't know what the consequence of doing that is, but everyone else on the internet seems to do it that way. So overall, putting in this rear window wasn't that difficult at all. It's just I'm just trying to be careful not to damage anything. I did end up getting one little small chip on the window. The tool flicked out a bit, but there's a few little spots I still need to touch up on the car anyway, so that's no major drama. That's one of the advantages of painting it yourself. I've got all the paint. I'll just mix up the paint and hardener and touch up spots where it needs to. So that's it, all done there. It actually fits in nice. Looks okay there. I'm just giving it a bit of a clean down. It took a few wipes to get it reasonably clean. I ended up using like the glass cleaner in the spray can there, and it comes up nice and fresh like that. Okay, so I've still got the front windscreen to do, but I'll leave that for another day. Alright, thanks for watching my videos.